Hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading na Mismo. Okay. Hello sa lahat ng Libra. Itong reading na ito ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 23 to 29. Time flies, no? Mag-end ang March, ang first quarter ng taon. Okay, so bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this deck that will be the overall energy of your reading, and detalye natin siya using the other deck. Okay, at habang binabalasa ko ito, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Libra na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate yung reading. At sa mga bago, please support my channel by subscribing. Okay? Para updated rin kayo sa mga post ko pang videos. Okay, maraming salamat po. Ayan, sige, simulan na natin. I'll get the third card. First card, Ace of Pentacles. Second card, Two of Pentacles. Okay, 1 to 2 Pentacles. So, oops, sorry, umalog. Yan. Okay, so, yan, adjust ko lang ulit. Yan. So, I guess it's a sign na mag-shift talaga siya from Ace to 2. Ace of Pentacles to Two of Pentacles, which is something good kasi may progress. So, first from yung overall energy na nasasagap dito sa reading ninyo ay someone will really invest in you. Okay? In the connection, sa love, sa relationship. Okay? And there's really a promising start. May potential itong connection mo with your person. So, I can sense here na nasa first stages pa lang kayo ng relationship. Okay? Either dating or nagkakilala pa lang, or ayun, nasa honeymoon stage pa lang kayo. But there's really a potential na mas mag-grow pa itong relationship ninyo. Kasi shifting from first card to second card of the coins, which is something na tangible, meaning nakikita, nagmamaterialize. Okay? There will be balance sa relationship. Mas makaka-adapt din kayo sa mga adjustments na kailangan nyo gawin as two people na working together. Okay? Kasi syempre from individual priorities, kailangan nyo ng maging mas aligned sa connection na sa isa't isa, diba? Na okay, yung priorities ko, priorities mo, at priorities nating dalawa sa relasyon. Okay, sige, alamin natin yung detalye ng reading na to using this deck. At gusto ko lang i-remind as always na this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Pag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin, ibig lang sabihin na hindi ko masagot ang energy ninyo. Okay, kaya abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading kasi baka yun ay mag-resonate na. Okay, kaya subscribe na kayo sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Okay, or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos ko kasi baka isa doon ay mag-resonate. Timeless naman talaga ang mga tarot and oracle reading. And best talaga to book a personal and private reading kasi mas naka-align, naka-tune in yun sa energy ninyo, okay, versus a collective reading. So, kung gusto nyo mag-book, nasa description box yung email address ko. Okay? Alright, sige. Bubunot ako ng 8 cards. So, first card, the Hanged Man. Second card, Page of Cups. Okay, third card, the Empress. Fourth cup. Fourth card, Four of Cups. 4 kasi. Fifth cup. Fifth card. Ano ba yan? Queen of Swords. Sixth card, Six of Cups. Ayan, cups na talaga. Seventh, Four of Wands. Okay. And last card, Strength card. Okay, it's good. So from Hanged Man to Strength. Okay. Okay. However, what you don't see coming, bottom of the deck is the Devil. Okay, so what I see here nga, diba, there's someone now wants to really invest in the relationship, and it's shifting to a more balanced and mas nakakapag-adjust kayo sa relasyon. But here, as shown here by the Hanged Man, merong I think yung person mo is willing siya mag-invest, but part of him or her is uncertain. Okay? Parang 1 foot in, 1 foot out yung person mo when it comes to the connection. Ito yung nasasagap kong energy kasi lumabas din si Devil, what you don't see coming. So at the moment, parang, okay, so invested sa relationship, di ba? There will be parang mag-adjust kayo sa isa't isa. Okay, paplanuhin niyo yung life niyo together. But here, there's an energy of uncertainty, and I sense here that ito yung person niyo. Why? Because it's medyo, as shown here by the Page of Cups, medyo may immaturity pa dito sa person niyo. And I can see here that this person is a lot younger than you. Parang may age difference, age gap between you and your person. And medyo innocent pa siya sa mga bagay-bagay sa relasyon. Kaya parang 50-50 pa siya kasi part of him or her parang still enjoying also yung nakasanayan niyang life as someone na single pero gusto ka niya. So medyo conflicted tong tao na to kasi gusto ka niya. As shown here by the Empress card na very caring din naman. Parang sincere naman. Nakikita ko naman dito na sincere siya na gusto ka niya. Pero may mga hesitation siya because at sa kanya yon, hindi yung issue, walang issue sa'yo. Sa kanya yun. Kasi, why? Here lumabas si Four of Cups, which is, si Four of Cups kasi is parang looking away dun sa reality. Diba? Parang may medyo, yun nga, dahil parang may hesitation siya kasi mayroong discontent sa part niya na medyo emotionally detached siya ng konti. Yun nga, 1 foot in, 1 foot out siya. Saka kasi hindi niya nililingon yung tema dito. Nakatingin siya dun sa mga parang handmade na birds when in fact nasa likod niya yung totoong ibon. Yun. So, mas nagfo-focus siya sa parang mga fantasy or yung ideal relationship niya na parang okay, ito yung fantasy relationship niya, pero in reality kasi hindi ganun. Pero parang nung nag-commit siya or nakilala ka niya, parang na-realize niya na, okay, hindi pala ganito ang relationship. So, kasi in reality, diba, may mga kailangan adjustments nga. Kasi parang siguro in his or her mind na parang pag nagkaroon ng relationship, everything will fall into place right away or walang mga adjustment na magaganap. Pero hindi. Kasi diba, as I mentioned here, it will require some adjustments between the two of you. And here sa Queen of Swords, ito nakikita ko, it's more on you na mas magiging magiging clear ka sa communication when it comes na parang, okay, dahil you're also the more experienced and yun nga, you're older than this person, parang, hindi, sige, pag-usapan natin, upaan natin to, parang you'll take the lead, kumbaga, you'll be the bigger person, di ba? Sa connection na to. And I can sense here din kasi here sa Six of Cups that itong person na to, may ano siya, yun nga din, parang may mga need din siyang i-heal pa sa kanya. That's why parang need niya talaga mag-grow. There's something din na yung familiarity kasi sa Six of Cups, saka nakatapat siya kay Page of Cups, si Six of Cups. Ito talaga is yung parang yung past niya is, what I mean is, di ba, yung present niya in a relationship with you. Parang past niya is being single, being free, di ba? Parang nandun, parang nagkaka-conflict siya. Parang meron akong energy na nakukuha na parang, oy, ang saya pala pag in a relationship, pero parang namimiss ko yung life ko rin as a single person. May ganun. So, but here, as you see here by the Four of Wands, naman na gusto niya ang isa't isa, and it's a really parang twin flame connection pa nga kasi as you can see, the Four of Wands is a card of union and milestone, and ayun, it's a lucky number din. Kaya nakita nyo parang 11-11 siya, si Four of Wands, and sa tarot it's a card of luck and manifestation din. So then what you need to do now is just to be strong and very open lang talaga. It's requiring confidence and courage, and nakikita ko dito naman na ma-overcome siya kung okay, may mag-initiate na, okay, ayusin to. Kasi here, seen here, the Devil card is medyo tempted pa tong person mo to really parang teka muna, parang ganun. Parang, okay, tempted pa siya na umalis sa relationship kasi nga 1 foot in, 1 foot out siya. Okay, so kailangan yung ayusin to, pag-usapan. Okay, and tingnan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa sitwasyon na to. Sige. Alright, advice ni Universe ay friendship. Okay. So, I guess, depende yan. Parang, ang inaano dito, dalawa kasi yan eh. Either you treat each other as good friends, paano nyo ba tinitreat yung kaibigan nyo? Diba? More understanding, pag may mga kailangan pag-usapan, yung totoo na friendship magiging open, magiging clear, magiging honest sa isa't isa, what ano yung mga gusto nila in life. Okay, so, and if the other naman, if 1 foot in, 1 foot out talaga siya, the universe is telling din na okay, maybe maging magkaibigan muna kayo, kilalanin muna further ang isa't isa, and then saka mag-commit. Okay? So, sana nakatulong tong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang relationship. Reading. Okay. Sa channel na to. Okay? So, baka na-sleep yun. Baka abangan nyo na lang yung susunod yung relationship. Nga. Okay? Bigla na lang siyang na sabi ko na without thinking. So, I think it's the universe also advising you to abangan nyo na lang yung susunod nyo ring relationship. But for now, you have this, so enjoy. Okay, kita-kits na lang dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!